Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Scale Network. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Scale Network broke out a quite long-term down channel, and after that, it broke down the support of a quite long-term up channel. And I was telling you that we have a quite long-term support of EMA 21, and therefore there is a probability that after testing the support of EMA 21, the exponential moving every 21 on the 7-day time frame chart, the price line try to re-enter the same up channel that was broken down. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line tested this support of EMA 21 after the breakdown and geared up. And right now it is trying to break out this previous support of the channel that is now working as a resistance and trying to re-enter the same up channel. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 10 cents. Right now, it is moving slightly above the resistance of 10 cents. However, it depends on the weekly candlestick where it will be closed. If it will be closed above 10 cents and this resistance of up channel, the previous support of up channel that is now breaking as a resistance, then it can re-enter the same up channel and move to the resistance of the channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Scale Network that I shared, by the way, a few days ago on 5th of March 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Scale Network formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price had moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone, but it covered back very soon. And then we had almost 24% pump. And before that, we caught almost 19% pump. And this move I shared on 26th of January 2024. You can see that the price had nicely moved up and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was the 50% pump that we caught in the same month of January 2024. You can see I shared this idea on 10th of January 2024, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Scale Network formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 50% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Scale Network. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously you can see that Scale Network was moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of March 2021. And before the breakout from this channel, it formed another down channel within a bigger down channel. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this channel, the smaller channel and the bigger channel. And we also broke out the resistance of EMA 21, this red line. That was a quite long-term resistance. And now you can see it is breaking as a nice support. And recently, you can see that after breaking down the support of this up channel that is formed while it was moving inside this previous down channel, you can see we found the support and resistance of this next up channel. Therefore, the formation was started here when it was moving inside this previous down channel. And then you can see that here we broke down the support. And I was telling you in my previous video that we have a quite long-term support of EMA 21 that was breaking as a resistance previously. And now it can break as a strong support. And you can see that the price line, after testing this EMA 21 and almost tested this quite long-term support of 7 cents as well, and geared up, and right now it is trying to break out the previous support of the channel as a resistance, and also trying to break out this next long-term resistance of 10 cents as well. So far, you can see that from this low, when we were testing the support of this channel here, up till this high, it rallied more than 578%, but still not able to break out this next long-term resistance of 10 cents. Therefore, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now we need to keep an eye on these two supports of EMA 21 and this support of 7 cents, and these two resistance, the support of the previous channel that is now breaking as a resistance, and this resistance of 10 cents. Now, if we take a look at the final targets, then in case of breaking out this up channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 53 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the channel. That is between $1.30 to $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.